Good afternoon. We're out here at Baird Brothers Sawmill today. My name is Baird, and I just wanted to go ahead and touch base on how we're dealing with the COVID-19 virus and how it's affected us. Today, April 7th, we went ahead and reopened. For the time being, our showroom is closed until further notice. You can go ahead and place your orders online or call our 800 number to speak with a representative. When you pull in, you will be directed to the proper building in which an employee will load you. All orders must be paid for upon arrival. There will be no payment being made on site because of the showroom closing. Please stay in your vehicle. We're trying to create an open air, contact free environment. For the time being, profile samples, stain samples, and catalogs will all be available online still to order, so you can go ahead and get some of your projects rolling. For the time being as well, $25 delivery charge. We went ahead and discounted that to 100-mile radius, Ohio only. We are currently not allowed to travel into PA or West Virginia. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get through this thing. We've been strong for 60 years and we got a strong 60 years coming ahead of us as well. So let's get together, rally behind each other and make this thing work. Thank you.